In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo payment marked complete but still pending. So if your outgoing payment or transaction is still pending, it may be because you have sent a payment to a phone number or email address that isn't verified or is not associated with the Venmo account, which means that it's pending through that way. Your payment method will still be charged, but the money won't reach the recipient until they finish setting up their Venmo. So to complete it, head over to your Me tab on your Venmo application, find the transaction on the top of your transaction feed, and under the payment in question, tap the Take Back option. So it should be able to have the payment reverse on your end. So in that way, if it's still pending after so many hours or minutes, you can take back the funds and ask your recipient for the correct information. In that way, you can make the payment and it will still be taken back to you right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.